Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel this week. We've got an interesting little shave test today. And it's the infamous Durham Duplex. And the interesting thing about this razor is that it's got a double comb. You can use it as a safety razor, or you can actually remove the comb and slide on a stropping head and use it as a straight razor. So you got the best of both worlds. Two razors in one. Great invention. I've seen these many times, you know, but I've always sort of wondered about them. Nice case. These are the original instructions, and this is what the blade came in. You can see, I'll just step back a little bit. This is the part that you can slip on. Let's pop that down. This is the straight razor head, and these two lugs here, 1, 2, they just literally slide onto the handle and lock into place, and then you just strap it as normal and use it as a straight razor. But for this demo today, I've actually used it, I'm going to use it as a safety razor. This is ideal for people who are wanting to try and get used to a straight razor. I'll just put this box down. Who are wanting to use a straight razor but want more of an introduction into the handling of a straight razor. You can see it's got, I'll just open it up, you've got a double comb, and these two lugs here lock the blade in place. It's quite secure. It's a nice stiff pivot on the handle, and you can see, if I just reflect it in the light, you can see both sides of the blade. So this is another advantage. You've got two edges of the blade, so you can literally slide it out, turn it the other way around, and you've got a fresh blade. I've taken this blade straight out of the packet and just give it a quick strop, and it's ready to go. So I'm just going to use it like I would a straight razor, but this comb here will actually, well, hopefully it'll stop you nicking yourself, and it just slides out. These two are locking nuts, and it literally just slides out from this way. So I'll just put my goggles on, make sure that they are completely locked in place. Yeah, it's going nowhere. And you literally just use it like a straight razor, flat to your face, flat to your face. You can still buy the blades online. I've got a contact in England where you can buy them. So this enables you to get used to the angles. With a bit more confidence in your strokes. Because you're not going to nick yourself with this unless you're really clumsy. The trick is just keep it flat to your face. And stretch your skin. And just realise it's a bit warm in this bathroom today, so the soap tends to dry up on your skin just from the heat of your skin. Quite warm here today. And this is quite a tough 7-day growth. Well, wrong way around. So you can use it left hand, right hand, which is another advantage of having a double blade. Puts a bit of nostalgia into your shave routine. To the way. See if we can take this goatee off. Yeah, it does help if you get it the right way around, I've found. That's the wrong way. That's the right way. Quite tough on the chin there, so that'll need a second pass, but no worries. Not in any rush. It'd be quite accurate with this as well. You can get right into the corners. Just have to be careful I don't take the ends off this old tash. Like that. Taking the end off it took me about 2 weeks to grow out. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So, anyway, grand little razor. Fantastic design. Great idea. Easy to use. You can replace the blades when they need to be, and you can hone them, sharpen them, just like a straight razor. Or you can use this attachment. You take the comb, just take that comb off, just slide it off, slide this on. You can see the lugs there, they all match up, and that's it. Nice little example of a classic design. Okay, thanks very much for watching, and I'll catch up with you next week. Bye for now.